Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I go to demonstrate how to fix or how to resolve Windows level update error KB5121767 not installing on Windows level. If you experiencing these issues, I gave some steps one by one follow to this problem. Resolve. Don't waste our time. Let's go over the solution. Then solution 1, I talk about corrupted file delete in file explorer. So you can go to you will open the file explorer. Here we can go to click on the local disk C. Then here you click on the locate the Windows folder. Double tap to open. Then scroll down. Locate the software distribution folder. Here selected all inside. Then right click and we will select the delete. We are just right click to delete all folders. If you did, then you are away from the software distribution, and we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution command promote. So we need the command promote. Then right click on the command promoter and select the run as administrator to run. If you getting the command promote, then you will go to take the commands in our official website. So I go to I will demonstrate how to we will take the that commands. Here you can go to open the your web browser, then type that MR.LEARNING way. Just to search in your web browser, then just click on this website and click on the search bar and type Windows level update. Then you will take this blog post, then click to open and scroll down. You can go to copy this all comments one by one use or totally copy to here paste it. Meanwhile, if it is done, then you away from the next command for this restart the stop service by running. This step running the all stops the running all service stop. This it is a stopping service by running. So just copy here. You can go to open the pick and paste in command promote. First services all stop the services. Here second services is starting. So if it is all successfully done, then we away from the command promote. Then we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution troubleshoot Windows update. So we need the settings. Then by using the settings search bar and type Windows update, we can click on the find fixing problem with Windows update. Here you can go to click on the next. Is detecting the problems. Wait 50 minutes or 50 seconds. After that, it will find the some corrupt issues files in this really okay. Here find out if it is fi- if it is found the problems, then we can go to solve the issues. Here you can go to see problems found. Check for Windows update issues. Just only one problem. Just to hit the close to away from the that error message. After that, we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution delete temporary files. This most important step. So you can proceed to the Windows button plus X button. Then press the. Then you can go to click on the run. Then run box type percentage local app data percentage. Then hit the OK to it open the file explorer. Then here you go to locate the temporary files. Just you click to open, then select it all, then right click, just click on the delete option, delete all folders. If you did, then you away from the file for X folder. Then you can go to relaunch the your Windows update, check if it is working or not. If this try to it does persist, this problem persists, then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution services. Here you can go to check service enable or not. So if it is not enable, just you can go to enable the Windows update. So I go to a demonstrate how to enable. Here you can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. We go to click on the service and open. Then scroll down. You can go to locate the your Windows update and right click. Then select the properties. Then here startup type, select the automatic. If you did, then below go to check if the service status is stopped. Just start to change and hit the apply and OK to optimize your settings. If you done, then you have from the services. Then we can go to through the next solution. The next solution, Windows file scanner. So by is used to solve the this problem. So we can the file explorer. We need file explorer. Then you can go to select the local disk C. Then right click. Then you can go to click on the properties and click on the tools. Here there are available tools. Just to click on the check. If you get this like that new tab, then just to click on the scan drive. Here it is scanning. So it take the few minutes. So wait. After finish, then you will go to relaunch to check the your Windows update problems. Okay, here done. The driver was successfully scanned. Then close to away from the properties. Then we can go to through the next solution. The next solution restart. So you can go to the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart or restart your system. Then you can go to check Windows update. Then your problem should be solved and normally updating. It will be updating successfully. Then if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you and don't forget subscribe.